Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Skylar with Western Material Handling. Today we are test driving stock number 2590 on this sunny Colorado afternoon. It's an awesome running Hyster H50XL. It's a 5,000 pound pneumatic tire forklift. This guy's going to give us a quick demonstration. The unit is equipped with a 3-stage mast. Will go 189 inches. Does have a load backrest, side shift carriage, 42-inch pallet forks. Has a good running LP gas 4-cylinder engine. Automatic transmission. Has working lights. He's going to run it up for us. And there's that 189 nice and high in the sky. This unit is equipped with solid pneumatic tires, never get a flat. Has had recent repairs, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by any of our stores in Commerce City, Fort Collins, or Torrington, Wyoming. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it.